I seen it 30 round gunny. Fuck what they saying, they pussy. My shit vintage Nelson. With them niggas from gang, I was snatching booze. Back in 15, I was running. Beat up that pussy, I'm tossing booze. Niggas is running, she wants me. I said the phone don't come.
So hey guys, I'm going to just start off with the Yolissa Hair, and I'm just showing you here that like it comes with invisible knots, and it's like pretty simple. Like I don't see so many like the black dots that you usually see in the lace. So like as you can see here, like I put it right on my head. I didn't have to bleach the knots or anything, and this is how it came. So I like that, and I just went to tint the lace so I could fit my skin color, and I used my foundation color and just this brush. So the foundation was L'Oreal Lumi foundation, and I only use this for like frontals and stuff. And I just used the Sonia Kashuk brush, and I just applied that all over to the lace so it can match my skin. I didn't do anything else, so I didn't bleach it or anything, so you don't have to do that if you don't want to. And then I went in to go pluck the front of the hairline. It was already pre-plucked, so it was like looking pretty good, and I didn't have to do much. This was hard to do on my head. I usually like do it on my lap, but I tried to show you guys. And like you can use water to pluck it if it's better for you, because I usually like to pluck it with water. And you're just gonna brush out the hair like where you have just plucked, so you can get all the strands out. And you're going to continue to pluck. You don't want to pluck in the same space over and over. You just want to keep going around the hair. So once that's all done and you pluck to your desired liking, then you're going to go in with the Got2b spray. And this is what I do. I basically spray my hairline and then put the blow dryer on the cool setting, and I just blow dry my hair. So I just keep doing that, and like I take it section by section, so I'm not like making a mess or anything. And blow dry your hair, and then once it's like all dry and set to your forehead and stuff, then you know you're good to go. But this is the kind of hard part. I actually like it like when the lace is already on and I blow dry my hair. I like it better than just cutting and using Got2b. So then I'm just gonna go in with some scissors, and I'm gonna section off my hair, and like with sections I'm gonna cut and then shave it with the razor. I like the razor method better because it just makes it so much jagged, so it can blend into your hairline so much better. So once you finish with the Got2b all around your hair, then you can go in with the scissors. Also, the specs on the wig, I believe this wig is their 20-inch curly hair, and it just came as a wig already. I've been liking just the wigs already come because like it's way less work for me. And I used to think that like I like when to like construct the wigs, but it just takes so much more time. I can just get a wig already pre-made. And it's like pre-plucked and everything. It's really beginner friendly if you get wigs already made. So yeah, here you can see I'm using the razor to basically cut off the excess lace, and you want to spray some of that Got2b for any of the parts that are lifting up, and then go in with that blow dryer. The blow dryer is so much helpful, like it's so helpful because it makes it like dry really quick and stay in place. So, and you want to cut off the ear tab. So for this part, you just measure from what part of your ear it's like covering, the hair is covering, and you just cut that off until like, and you just go down to the back. Like, I don't know how to describe that part. You just basically cut in a straight line back and cut all the lace off, and then you want to use the Got2b spray to basically tack that down to your ear or your sideburns. And in no way am I a professional at this. This is just how I do it. So please don't come for me in the comments. Like, I'm still learning, as I'm still quite a beginner, I feel like, to this. Some days I do it better than others, but this is how I do it. And I get a lot of requests on how I do this. So I decided just to show you guys what I actually do. And then I'll use an elastic band. This is optional, but it helps so much. And I just like tie the edges down or the lace down. And I just did my makeup and stuff and came back. So now I'm going to style the hair. So I use this water bottle and just sprayed all the curly hair. Basically, I love this part. Like, it's my favorite part in curly hair, just spraying it all down with water. It just, all the curls are just so nice and it looks so bouncy. So once I do that, then I'm just going to brush it out. And I'm going to also use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and I'm gonna just apply that all over the hair. And this is just to make it make the hair come back to life, because I've been brushing it out and everything. I want the curls to pop. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Next, you want to also brush it out. You want to make sure that there's no kinks, because I want to do a half up, half down, so that's why I'm brushing up the top of the hair, just to make sure that it's smooth and flat for when I go to do it. And here I'm going to create baby hair, so I just pick a little small piece of the hair and then the razor, and I cut it really small, like really short. I decided, I noticed that when you cut it shorter, it looks way more realistic. So here I even kind of cut it long, but cut them like really short, and you'll be able to swoop them. And it cut in a diagonal motion, so that like the front of it can be short, and then the back of it can go into the hairline. So then I'm just gonna use this toothbrush and some Got2b spray, and basically lay them down and just keep manipulating them to make them look how I want to. And you can use Got2b spray for this, or you can use mousse. Either one works. Just if you use the mousse, make sure to not press it so hard into the lace, or it may lift up. Because this Got2b spray is not like permanent. It's just you can take it off every night if you want to, which I usually do. I tried the bowl hold one time, and I'm just not a professional at it. I'm just nowhere near good at it, so I just let it for a rest. And I really can't find the bottle right now, so I might have to purchase some more just to experiment with it. But yeah, once I've done my baby hairs and finished just how I like them, or like, you know, if they were good enough basically in this video. It's not how I usually like them, but it was okay. And then I went to go and impart my hair. I sectioned off the part of the hair I wanted to go up with just this rat tail comb, and I wanted like a little half up, half down, like not all of my head, just like a little small portion. And I did that, and then I'm just gonna brush the hair out so it can be really flat and smooth, and basically put it into a ponytail. And this is an easy way to spice up like your regular old curly hair style. I like how whenever I put my hair up, I just like how it frames my face, so yeah. Basically me struggling to put my hair in a ponytail. And then I'm just going to use one of these scrunchies. I actually got, it was a pack of scrunchies from Urban Outfitters, and I just love this like pastel. I've been loving pastel colors recently, so I just use this mint green scrunchie, and I just put it in my hair. And then, yeah, here's the part where I put the curl enhancing smoothie to make it look more popping and voluminous. This hair is really easy to work with. It's really nice, I just like curly hair in general, so it fits my standards for curly hair. The lace was really easy to work with also, so I do recommend it. You can check out the links down below to Yolissa Hair. And this is pretty much it for the tutorial. It's pretty simple. Hopefully guys you were able to follow along. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys really like the videos. Let me know other things you want to see. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media links. They'll be down below. And yeah, I'm basically going to see you guys next time. Bye!